What if I told you that the key to mastering your finances isn't a human financial advisor, but an algorithm? Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's already happening. Artificial intelligence is quietly transforming the way we save, spend, and invest. Today, we're decoding the algorithm to uncover how AI is rewriting the rules of personal finance and what it means for you. What is AI in personal finance? So, what exactly is AI in personal finance? At its core, AI refers to computer systems that can analyze data, learn patterns, and make decisions often faster and more accurately than humans. In the world of finance, AI is being used to power everything from budgeting apps to robo-advisors. For example, apps like Mint and YNAB use AI to track your spending and suggest ways to save. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront use algorithms to manage your investments, balancing risk and return without human intervention. Even banks are using AI to detect fraud and offer personalized financial advice. But here's the real game changer. AI isn't just automating tasks, it's making finance more accessible, personalized, and efficient than ever before. How AI is changing the game. Let's break down how AI is rewriting the rules of personal finance, personalized financial advice. AI can analyze your spending habits, income, and goals to offer tailored advice. Whether it's suggesting a budget, recommending investments, or warning you about overspending, AI acts like a 24/7 financial coach. Smarter investing. Robo-advisors use algorithms to create and manage portfolios based on your risk tolerance and goals. They can rebalance your investments, optimize tax strategies, and even predict market trends, all without human error or bias. Fraud detection. AI can spot unusual transactions in real time, protecting your money from fraud. It's like having a financial watchdog that never sleeps. Debt management. AI-powered tools can analyze your debt and create a payoff plan, helping you save on interest and become debt-free faster. In short, AI is making finance smarter, faster, and more accessible for everyone. Real-life examples. Let's look at some real-life examples. Take Emma, a 30-year-old teacher. She used an AI-powered budgeting app to track her spending, and discovered she was overspending on dining out. The app suggested a budget and even sent her alerts when she was close to her limit. Within a year, Emma saved over $5,000 just by following the algorithm's advice. Or consider Mark, a 45-year-old entrepreneur. He used a robo-advisor to manage his investments. The algorithm diversified his portfolio, rebalanced it regularly, and even optimized his taxes. In just 3 years, Mark's portfolio grew by 20%, outperforming his previous human advisor. These stories show that AI isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for personal finance. The risks and ethical concerns, of course, with great power comes great responsibility. AI in finance isn't without its risks. Data privacy. AI relies on your personal data to work effectively. But who owns that data, and how is it being used? There's always a risk of data breaches or misuse. Over-reliance on algorithms. While AI is powerful, it's not perfect. Algorithms can make mistakes, especially in unpredictable markets. Blindly following AI advice without understanding the logic behind it can be risky. Ethical concerns. AI can sometimes reinforce biases present in the data it's trained on. For example, if an algorithm is trained on biased lending data, it might unfairly deny loans to certain groups. So, while AI is a powerful tool, it's important to use it wisely and stay informed. How to leverage AI for your finances. Ready to harness the power of AI for your finances? Here's how to get started. Choose the right tools. Look for AI-powered apps and platforms that align with your goals. For budgeting, try Mint or YNAB. For investing, check out Betterment or Wealthfront. Experiment with one tool at a time. For example, use a budgeting app for a month and see how it impacts your spending. While AI can automate many tasks, it's still important to understand the basics of personal finance. Don't rely on algorithms blindly. Always read the privacy policies of the tools you use and enable security features like two-factor authentication. AI is a tool, not a magic wand. But when used correctly, it can help you make smarter financial decisions and achieve your goals faster. AI is no longer the future, it's the present. And it's reshaping personal finance in ways we couldn't have imagined a decade ago. Whether you're looking to save, invest, or simply manage your money better, AI has something to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on the future of finance. And if you've already started using AI-powered tools, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead of the curve.